Hey guys, it's Megan. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing the highlighter challenge. This challenge is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is draw something and then color it using highlighters. I got these highlighters at Target for about $5. So let's just get into the video. So I know I told you guys that I would start including the sketching process of my drawings, but this drawing, honestly, it gave me a little bit of trouble because the first attempt that I did, I drew the head way too big, the proportions were way off, so I took a step back and actually looked up pictures of real people, and I changed so much about the original sketch. The head I had to shrink down to about a third of its original size. Guys, it was really bad. It did not look good, but in the end I ended up liking this drawing. And so I just drew a girl, and she's like an alien girl, and then she's walking her cat on some planet because yeah, that's just what you do. And the cat also has a space helmet because, the cat needs to breathe, And there's a little alien in the background. And there's also some planets in the background. And I decided to make her an alien because there really weren't that many good skin colors in the highlighter set. I probably could have made it work, but aliens are just more fun. And I gave my alien girl a cat because I was sitting on my bed while drawing this, and I looked over at my cat and I was just like, this girl needs a cat to go with her on her adventures, so I put a cat down there. And now on to the coloring. So I started out by coloring her outfit because I thought that this was the least intimidating part, and if I messed it up it wasn't as big of a deal. So I gave her a pink baseball tee, and the collar and the sleeve, rings around the sleeve. What are those things called? I don't know, but they're purple. And I made the skirt purple as well and gave it some blue shading. And I also made the waistband of the skirt blue. And then I colored in her socks with some pink stripes, and I colored her hands using a yellow marker and then shaded it with a green marker. And then I moved on to coloring in the rest of her skin, and the skin I gave a yellow base with some green shading. So I made her legs yellow and shaded them green. I gave her blue eyes and pink lips, and the skin, again, I just went in with the green and I put in where I thought all of the shading would go, and then I just colored over that with some yellow. I used pink, blue, and purple for her hair. First, I went in with the pink and just drew along the lines, then I did the same thing with the purple and the blue. I colored her shoes blue, and then I realized that the legs were a little bit too yellow for my liking, so I added in some more green to be shading, and hopefully this looks okay. I don't know, I thought it made it look better, so I guess that's all that matters. I went back to her shoes and colored the shoelaces and the toes of the shoes purple, and then I went in and colored in the little alien in the back green, and then I started coloring in the planet. And this I didn't really have a plan for. I was just doing random stripes of colors. So I did orange, and then I colored in the little bumps orange, and then I did pink, and then I did yellow, and then I just kept layering it until it looked nice. And I decided that I didn't want the cat to be completely white, so I went in with my purple marker and outlined her, colored in her ears pink, and then drew some little tufts of fur with the purple marker. And then I colored in her leash with the pink marker. And then I moved on to coloring in the planets, and there wasn't really any reason for coloring them this way. I just did whatever came to my mind. And I really need to work on not turning the paper so much because, I'm sorry, this probably makes it a little bit hard to watch. I decided the background still looked a little bit plain, so I went in with the yellow highlighter and I drew some stars in the background. I outlined each of the stars with my black micron pen, and then I colored in the whole entire background with my Arteza Black Brush Pen. And I really just wanted a black background for this picture. I'm not really sure if this is cheating or not, but I think that it made it look better, so I guess that's all that matters. And here's how the finished piece turned out. I'm really happy with how it turned out, even though in the beginning I wasn't so sure about it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not already and you'd like to be, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @WellerMegs. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!